Hey guys, it's Ben from Platinum RC, and today we're going to be showing you how to fix the clicking noise on your Traxxas slide. So the first thing you want to do is remove your wheel for extra space to work. Place the wheel to the side. Once your wheel is removed, you want to remove the cover that is covering the pinion and spur gear. Once you take the cover off, you want to take a sharp object and go in between each tooth, of the spur gear, getting all of the dirt out. Screw your cover back on. Once your cover is back on, you want to put your wheel back on. Once everything is back on, turn your car on. Lift your back wheels up and make sure there's no clicking. That's how to fix the clicking on your Traxxas slash. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment on what we should make next. Thanks. Bye.